Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Tesla Model S. This four-door sedan has engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Tesla has less than 81,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 101 miles per gallon in the city, and 102 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and window defogger.